guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just gonna be trying out clear slime methods, and I want to know which one turns out the crystal clear slime, because so yeah, like this video and let's just get started. Method 1, yay. So I'm just taking my Elmer's clear glue and just pouring that in. Yeah, just pouring that in. I'm just using the whole bottle. So yeah, and it had a little, on the, okay, so I'm just gonna be taking my baking soda, and it's gonna open it. It was a struggle, as you can see, and I just got it open, finally got it open, and then I'm just gonna pour that into the glue, and I'm just gonna mix, mixing. I'm just gonna be adding my contact solution, and then squirting that in, and then just mixing it. Yeah, just pouring more in and then mixing. Yeah, mixing. Just mixing that in. I'm just gonna be adding more to fully activate it. Yep. Yeah, it's just mixing that in, and you can see it's like becoming like slime now. Almost there. Just adding more contact solution, mixing that in. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna take that out. Yeah, so that was method 1. Yeah, I'm just gonna take that out and stuff. Yeah, I'm just gonna, yeah. Method 1 complete. Method 2. So I'm just gonna be adding my big clear glue that I got from Target, and I'm just gonna pour that in. Just taking off like the little seal, and just gonna pour that in. Yep. Just gonna be adding my water. For some reason this didn't activate, so I'm guessing I just added a lot of water. Not really sure what happened, but I'm just gonna mix that in, hopefully for a miracle. Yeah. Just mixing that in. And then I'm just gonna be taking my contact solution and then squirting that in. Yeah. So you're gonna be adding more glue just in case. Yeah. Just adding more contact solution. Yeah, and then just mixing that in. Yep. Method 3. So I'm just gonna be adding more this clear glue for this method, and then it's gonna be adding water. Just mixing that in, and then mixing that in, and then it's gonna be adding my baking soda. Adding my baking soda, then I'm just gonna mix that in. Then I'm just gonna be adding my contact solution. Contact solution, yeah. Just gonna be adding more baking soda. Yeah, and it's gonna be mixing that in. Gonna be mixing that in. Then it's gonna be adding my more baking soda. We're gonna be mixing that in. Mixing. And as you can see, it's like forming. It's gonna be adding more contact solution. You can see it's like not sticking anymore. It's not sticking anymore. So yeah, method 3. Video, if you did, just give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, and I hope one of these methods work, and I hope you guys try it out too, and let me know how it goes. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, like, and yeah, bye.